know that this Lamborghini has 8 oil drain plugs? Most cars only have 1. Anyway, how much does it really cost to maintain a Lamborghini Huracan for a year? We're headed to Les Schwab Tire Center to see how much tires would cost for this thing, and then to Lamborghini Salt Lake City to see how much service will cost. So we just got this quote from Les Schwab, and the exact same tire setup on this Lamborghini, whew, it's windy, costs about $2,500. The exact same tires, Pirelli P0s on the front and rears. And let's say they'd probably be good for around 15 to 20,000 miles. Okay, so Casey and I are just rolling up to Lamborghini Salt Lake City. We're gonna see how much an oil change is for this Lamborghini Huracan. My guess is, I don't know, what do you think, Casey?
I'm guessing like 450.
450, okay, I'm gonna say 600. So we're here at Lamborghini Salt Lake City with DCG 55, the Lamborghini Huracan, and we just got this quote for a lot of the major services that need to be done on the car every several years, maybe every 5 or 6 years, and that cost is almost $5 grand. It is a lot of money, but thankfully all these services have already been performed when we bought the car, so they won't need to be done for another several years. And so the only thing that really will come up is the tires, which we already covered, and an oil change, which comes out to about $950. So we're at the front of this dealership right now, and then there's this RNCO Borealis Lamborghini Huracan. This one is completely stock. It's a brand new Huracan. But just, I want you to notice the difference in, look at this gap right here. And then you take a look at that one, and it's so small. This one sits so much nicer. Not to mention the Vorsteiner carbon on the front. That's our front end. And this is the stock front end. It doesn't look nearly as good. It looks a little cheap, to be honest. Don't tell him I said that. This one just overall looks so much better. I mean, look at this thing. It is so beautiful. So there you have it. The total cost for maintaining this car for about a year comes out to $34.50 if you get the oil change done at a Lamborghini dealer, or if you want to save some money, you can do it yourself and it'll only cost around $27.50 for the entire year. But lucky for you, most of that cost was the tires, and they're gonna go for around 15 to 20,000 miles before they need to be replaced. So all you're left with is the cost of the oil change, which is about $250 if you do it yourself. We're running 500% entries right now, and the deadline is coming up soon for this Lamborghini and the $60,000 that comes with it. So swipe up, go to our website, pick out your favorite items, and you'll automatically be entered to take home this Lamborghini and $60,000 in cash. We'll see you in there.